Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Feline Kabilan's channel. We would love to hear your comments. You can comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will be showing you the different experiences and activities we had when we attended the Higher Order Thinking Skills Professional Learning Package. This was the training which we attended. It was, of course, attended by the different teachers and, of course, the different resource persons during our training. As you can see, we have different resource persons from the Department of Education. We have so many participations which we did. We also have group of friends who were with us, who were, of course, our fellow educators. Here in this video, you will see the enjoyment which we had. It was a lot of fun. These are my friends, the group mates I had. They consists of school heads, principals, and teachers. Thank you so much for watching.